By equilibrium conditions, here at B, summation of MB equals 0. That is, by adding MBA and MBC, 0.66 plus 0.33, that one is 1. EI theta B, here MBA plus MBC, that one is 1.66. By adding equation 2 and 3, 1.66 EI theta B, then here 0.5 EI theta C minus 0.166 EI delta, that equals 32. Similarly, at C, MCB plus MCD equals, that is 0. Therefore, that one is 0.5 EI theta B plus 2 EI theta C minus 0.375 EI delta. 375 EI delta, that one equals minus 32. This one is equation number 4. Here there are three unknowns. One is theta B, one is theta C, one is delta. Then there must be a requirement of three equations to solve three unknowns. Here now by shear condition, that is shear conditions, that is here by observing this free body diagram. Here this one is the free body diagram of vertical member AB. This one is here. This we have to assume that HA is acting towards right side. We don't know the direction. Then here this length is 6 meter. Then here this one is A. Here there is a moment. We have to assume this one as in clockwise direction. Similarly, here this one is B. This one is MAB. Similarly, this one is MBA. Here, by the shear condition, we have to calculate HA and HD. Both we have to assume HA and HD towards right side. Then HA plus HD equals 100 kilonewton. Similarly, here HA equals by taking moments about B, that equals 0. Here we will get HA equals HA into 6, that one is anti-clockwise. Then MAB is clockwise plus MBA, that is also clockwise. Here the height of the column is 6. Then here you will get HA equals MAB plus MBA, that one is 0.66 plus 0.33, that one is EI theta B minus 0.166 minus 0.166, that is minus 0.33 EI delta by 6. Similarly, here by equilibrium of vertical column, that is here this one is vertical column, this one is D, this one is C, this length is 4 meter. Here HD also we have to assume that one is in clockwise direction. This one is HD. Then this one is MCD. This one is MCD. This one is MDC. Here we have to assume we have written the slope deflection equation for MCD and MDC. then we have to assume that both are in clockwise direction. Then we can calculate hd by taking moments about c, that 1 equals 0. Therefore hd equals, that is this moment hd into 4, that one is moment to hd is anti-clockwise and these two moments are clockwise. Then mcd plus mdc divided by 4. Then by adding mcd and mdc, here that one is mcd plus mdc. By adding these two, that one is 1.5 ei theta c, 1.5 ei theta c, then minus 0.375 minus 0.375 minus 0.75 ei delta divided by 4. Here we will get by equilibrium of horizontal forces. By the equilibrium of horizontal forces, that is by the equilibrium of horizontal forces, then by the equilibrium of horizontal forces, equilibrium of horizontal forces, that one is summation of h equals 0. You will get HA is towards right side, HD is towards right side, that one equals here HA plus HD equals, this one is HA, this one is HD. Here the two forces, one is HA, one is HD, then that equals 100 kilonewton, which is acting to the towards left side here. Then by adding these two, HA just now we have calculated, HD just now we have calculated, that one equals, that is HA, that one is ei theta b minus 0.33 ei delta by 6 plus 1.5 ei theta c minus 0.75 ei delta by 4. This one equals, that is 100 kilonewton. Here by using this equation we will get, by adding these two, that one is, here we will get, that one is here after simplification you will get the equation, that one is 0.166 ei theta b plus 0.375 ei theta c, that one is minus, calculate back to minus 35 by 144, that one is minus 0.24 minus 0.24 ei delta, then this one equals 100. This is equation number 3. Now by solving, now we have got three equations. Now by solving the three equations, solving the three equations, that is equation number 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 for theta b, theta c and theta d, we will get, that is theta b equals, here after solving, theta b equals minus 3.1397 by EI. Then theta c, that one equals minus 130.5188 by EI. Then delta equals, here you will get the values, all the values are negative values, that is 9534 by EI. Here after getting the values of theta b, theta c and delta, here by substituting these values in equation number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that, by substituting the values here, MAB equals, that is the final moments, that one is the next step, that one is step number E. Just now we have, that is C, then this one is D, that is final moments. Substitute the values of theta b, theta c and delta in equations 1 to 6. Just we have written the slope deflection equation for various supports, that is MAB equals 101.44 kilonewton meter. Here that means that one is clockwise, that is positive. Then MBA equals, here that one is 100.3991 kilonewton meter. Here this is also clockwise. Then MBC equals, here that one is minus 100.3991 kilonewton meter. This one is minus, means that is anti-clockwise. Then MCB, here by observing these two values, one is clockwise, one is anti-clockwise, one is positive and another one is anti-clockwise. Then MCB equals minus 100.0885 kilonewton meter. Here this one is negative, or that is anti-clockwise. Then MCD, that one is plus 100.0887 kilonewton meter. Here this one is clockwise. Then MDC equals 165.3481 kilonewton meter. This one is clockwise. Then after knowing the final moments, we can write the bending moment diagram. BMD, SFD and elastic curve. BMD, SFD and elastic curve. That is the last step. Here, just now we have calculated the moments at various points. This one is the given diagram. Here, this one is the given diagram. This end is fixed. This end is here. This is your given diagram. Here the moments are, this one is subjected to UDL of, that is 24 kilonewton per running meter. This one is 24 kilonewton per running meter. This length is 4 meter. This length is 6 meter. This length is 4 meter. The moment of inertia I. This one is also I. Here this one is I. Here this point is A, this point is B, this point is C, this point is D. Here this is subjected to a lateral force of 100 Newton, 100 kilonewton. Then MAB is, that is MAB, that is clockwise. MBA, that one is also clockwise. MBA, that one is clockwise. Here MBC, that one is here MBC, that one is minus 100, that is anti-clockwise, 100.399 kilonewton meter. This one is 101.44 kilonewton meter. Then here this one is, here at this point, that is MCB, that one is again, that is anti-clockwise, that is 100.887 or 089 kilonewton meter. This one is anti-clockwise. Then this one is MCD, that one is 100 point, that is clockwise, 100.887 kilonewton meter. This one, that is MDC, that one is clockwise, that is 165.348 kilonewton meter. Now we can draw the shear force diagram for this one. This is the reference line for vertical column. Here, by observing from inside, if you observe from inside like this, here this one is sagging, this one is sagging, we can show it inside, and this one is hogging, this one is hogging, then we can show hogging above the reference line. Here this one is the bending moment diagram. Akshay, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡು. This one is the bending moment diagram for this one, that is 101.44 kilonewton meter. This one is 100.399 kilonewton meter. Then here this is for the vertical member. Then for the horizontal member, we have to draw the bending moment diagram. Here this one is the bending moment diagram. Here this one is 100.399, this one is hogging, we will show above the reference line, this one, and then this one is 100.089, that one is sagging. Here we will represent the bending moment diagram like this. Here this one is the negative bending moment diagram. This one is positive bending moment, this one is negative bending moment. this one is negative bending moment, this one is positive bending moment. Then here if you see from inside, this one is here, this one is hugging, this one is sagging bending moment we can show inside, and hugging bending moment we can show outside. That one is here, this is the bending moment diagram for this one. Here this one is negative bending moment, this one is the negative bending moment. 165 point, this one is hugging or negative bending moment. 3 4 8 1 kilonewton meter. This one is here, this one is 100.089 kilonewton meter. This one is also 100 point, here this one. Then here this is subjected to UDL, that one is subjected to UDL of intensity 24 kilonewton per running meter, the simply supported beam bending moment. Here at the support, at support B and C, the bending moment is 0. Then here at the center, the bending moment is, that is here it is like this, that is curve, that one is WL square by 8, that one is 24 into L is 4 square divided by 8, that one is 48 kilonewton meter. Here the net bending moment diagram. Net bending moment diagram is here, this one is the negative bending moment. Here this one is the negative bending moment diagram. This one is positive bending moment diagram. Here this is the net bending moment diagram. Here this one is, this portion is negative bending moment. This portion is negative bending moment. Then here show this by, then this portion is positive bending moment. This portion is positive bending moment. This one is positive due to UDL. Then here there is again, there is positive bending moment. This portion is also positive bending moment. This one is negative bending moment. This one is, here there is an overlapping of the bending moment. This total is positive bending moment. This is also positive. Here there are two bending moments which we have overlapped. Then here this is the bending moment diagram for this one. Now we can draw the shear force diagram. Here to draw the shear force diagram, here this one is for vertical member, this one is for vertical member. Here this one is AB. Here just now we have calculated HA. HA is, that is HA is towards right side, this one is A, this one is B. Here the, by the equilibrium of the forces, this one is to the right side, this one is to the left side. Here MAB is positive, MBA is positive, this one is positive, that is MBA. This one is also clockwise, both the moments are clockwise, this one is MAB and this one is MBA. Then here HA equals, this length is 4 meter, then HA equals, we have calculated HA as, HA equals, this one is 6 meter, not 4 meter, this is A, this is B. Then HA equals MAB plus MBA by 4, that one is here by 6, not 4, that one equals HA equals, that is Here HA equals 33.6398. 33.6398 kilonewton. This one. Here the shear force diagram for this one, that is, here this one is the reference line. Here this is your A, this is your HD. Here this is the shear force diagram for this one. Here if you observe from left side, left upward is positive, this one is downward, this one is HA equals, that is 33.64 or 6398 kilonewton. This one is the shear force, this one is negative shear force. This is for the portion A to B. Here this is the shear force for portion A to B. This one is A, this one is B, this one is SFD for AB. SFD for AB. Then similarly we can draw the SFD for, that is, for another vertical member. Here this one is HD, this one is HD, then this one is HC, this one is SC. This distance is 4 meter. Then we have calculated the moments, both the moments as clockwise. This one is MC, MDC, this one is MCD. Both the moments are clockwise. That is HD equals MCD plus MDC by 4. Then this one equals 66 point, that is 36.3592 kilonewton. Then this one is HD. Then the shear force diagram for this one is, here we can write the shear force diagram for this one, that is, here this one is the ordinate, this one is the ordinate. Here both the forces are equal, since these two moments form a couple moment. Then here if you see from the inside, left upward is positive, but this one is downward. This is also negative shear force diagram. This is also negative shear force diagram. Here this one is the shear force diagram for this one. Then here this one is SFD for CD. Then for vertical member, here for horizontal member, this one is the horizontal member. It is subjected to load like this. Here this one is one of the reaction. Here both the moments are, one is, it is like this, then this one is like this. Here this one is, this reaction is, that is 2.21. this one is downward, then this one is upward, this one is 98.12. here 98.12, this one is 2.12 kilonewton. This one is also kilonewton. This one is 98.12. This one is 2. That one is here. The summation of these two is 96. Then this one is C, this one is D, this one is MCD, this one is MCB, this one is MBC, this one is MCB. Then by using these two values here, left upward is positive and left downward is negative. This one is the shear force diagram for this one, that is here left upward is positive and left up. This is the shear force diagram. This is the shear force diagram. This one is positive shear force diagram. This one is here. This is the shear force diagram for this portion. Now we can draw the elastic curve for this one. Here the elastic curve, I can show it on this diagram. Here this bending is, this one is hogging bending moment. Here the deflected shape of this one is, it is like this, and then here there is the deflected shape is like this. Then here this one is hogging, this one is hogging, and the deflected shape is like this. Here this one is sagging. This is the deflected shape of this one. This is the deflected shape of this one. Here then this one is again, this one is sagging, this one is sagging, this one is hogging, this one is here the slope at this end is, this is the deflected shape of this beam. This is the deflected shape of this beam, or this one is the elastic curve. That is, here this completes with this problem.